Yo, today I'm going to show you guys how to get YMusic on your phone. So this works on iOS and Android. So as you can see, I got it right here. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So basically, guys, all you have to do is go over to hexmods.com, find the YMusic, press on it, press the download button to begin the download. So before it downloads, you will have to do a verification, which is really straightforward. We just need to download some apps and complete the instructions. So these are from the App Store, and they're totally free and safe. But it's just to ensure that the YMusic downloads correctly. So as you can see, it's going to say like, please take a few minutes to complete verification. So you just press on the app, redirects you to the App Store, you're going to be good to go. So I'll see you guys later, but yeah, I already did this whole process, so I don't have to do it again. But yeah, YMusic is so good, bro. If you guys do not know what YMusic is, it is basically an app that forms YouTube. So the whole of YouTube is in the app, and then you can download songs to listen to them offline. But you don't have to download the song, get it on the YouTube app, and go to a website. It's all done in the YMusic app, which is super cool. So there's album artwork, there's everything from a YouTube video into an MP3 on the YMusic app. So it's a really great app, but it's generally associated with Android. But in this video, I showed you guys how to download it on iPhone. So that's pretty neat, right? So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you like it. It's very simple to download. You just have to do this like verification step, which is really easy. It's like download some apps. It's not hard. So I'll see you guys in another video. Be subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So if this video works, you guys, be sure to go and share it because this is super insane, guys. YMusic is an app that is to be reckoned with. And yes, the haters will come at me, but it works on iPhone. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Be subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. Fully working YMusic download. So peace out, guys.